मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था। आई हैड नथिंग। आई हैड नथिंग। पापा ऑफिस में होंगे। पापा विल बी इन ऑफिस। पापा विल बी इन ऑफिस। क्या तुम कोई और हो? आर यू समवन एल्स? आर यू समवन एल्स? नहीं, मैं तुम्हारा भाई राकेश हूँ। नो, आई एम योर ब्रदर राकेश। नो, आई एम योर ब्रदर राकेश। इसे नीचे रखो। पुट इट डाउन। पुट इट डाउन। आपका दिन शुभ हो। यू हैव अ नाइस डे। यू हैव अ नाइस डे। आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? दूध को बर्तन में डालो। Pour the milk into the pot. Pour the milk into the pot. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? एक सांप था। There was a snake. There was a snake. वह कभी भी ऐसा नहीं है। She never does that. She never does that. वहाँ कितने लोग थे? How many people are there? How many people are there? ऐसा कोई गांव नहीं है। There is no such village. There is no such village. यहाँ मत उतरो। Don't get off here. Don't get off here. सबको प्यार करो। Love your everyone. Love everyone. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो। Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. उसे परेशान मत करो। Don't bother him. Don't bother him. जिम्मेदारी से जी मत चुराओ। Don't shirk responsibility. Don't shirk responsibility. गरीबों की मदद करो। Help the poor. Help the poor. सभी कपड़े इस्त्री कर दो। Iron all the clothes. Iron all the clothes. अपने माता पिता को देखने जाओ। Go to see your parents. Go to see your parents. पैसे किसके पास नहीं है? Who doesn't have money? Who doesn't have money? हम सब आपके साथ हैं। We all are with you. We all are with you. किस लड़की के पापा वहाँ खड़े थे? Which girl's father was standing there? Which girl's father was standing there? वह तुम्हें धोखा देने की सोचता है। He intends to cheat you. He intends to cheat you. पेन कहाँ रखा हुआ है? Where is the pen kept? Where is the pen kept? तुम दोनों बहुत अच्छे लगते हो। You both are the best. You both are the best, and you can say both of you are the best. Both of you are the best. तुम एक लड़की हो। You are a girl. You are a girl. आपकी कृपया होगी। It's kind of you. It is kind of you. आपके पिताजी की उम्र क्या है? How old is your father? How old is your father? मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ। I am an engineer. I am an engineer. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? यह मेरा बेल्ट है। This is my belt. This is my belt. मुझे घर जाना है। I have to go to home. I have to go to home. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? वह पेन मेरा है। That pen is mine. That pen is mine. ये मेरी किताबें हैं। These are my books. These are my books. वे मेरे रिश्तेदार हैं। They are my relatives. They are my relatives. पुलिस चोर के पीछे पड़ी है। The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. हम ये सुबह तक निपटा लेंगे. We will finish it by morning. We will finish it by morning. मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा. I will come after you leave. I'll come after you leave. मेरा देश सबसे पहले है. My country is above all. My country is above all. वह पुल के नीचे था. He was under the bridge. He was under the bridge. मैं 50 लोगों के बीच में था. I was among 50 people. I was among 50 people. मेरा नाम अमित के नीचे है. My name is below the Amits. My name is below the Amits. हम रात में पढ़ते हैं. We study at night. We study at night. तुम ईमानदारी के साथ जीते हो. You live with honesty. You live with honesty. हाँ, मैं दोपहर में वहाँ था. Yes, I was there in the afternoon. Yes, I was there in the afternoon. मैं दिवाली पर घर आऊँगा. I'll come home at Diwali. I'll come home at Diwali. मैं रस्सी के ऊपर से कूदा. I jumped over the rope. I jumped over the rope. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. नाक साफ करो. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. वह सारा दिन फ़ोन चलाती है. She uses the phone all the day. She uses the phone all day. वह मेरा कहना नहीं मानता. He doesn't listen to me. वे लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. They are nice people. They are nice people. मैंने उसे बोला था. I told him. I told him. वह इस समय व्यस्त होगा. He will be busy at the moment. He will be busy at the moment. वह पूरे समय रोता रहता है. He cries all the time. He cries all the time. तुम भविष्य में क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to be in the future? तुम बहुत पकाऊ हो. You are so boring. You are so boring. आजकल काफ़ी ठंड पड़ रही है. It is very cold these days. It is very cold these days. मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think of me like that. Don't even think of me like that. वह सुबह से पढ़ाई कर रहा है. He has been studying since morning. He has been studying since morning. वह कल आ सकता है. He may come tomorrow. He may come tomorrow. वह कल ज़रूर आएगा. He will definitely come tomorrow. He will definitely come tomorrow. तुम क्या बोल रहे हो? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. What are you saying? I don't understand. What are you saying? वह स्कूल से आता ही होगा. He must have come from school. He must have come from school. वह मुझे पसंद करता है. He likes me. He likes me. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? I don't understand where to start. I don't understand where to start. उस लड़के के साथ ठहरो. Stay with that boy. ये कुछ और है. This is something else. This is something else. रिश्ते खूबसूरत हैं. Relations are beautiful. Relations are beautiful. समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? And you can say what is the time? What is the time? मैं उसके लिए पागल हूँ. I am crazy for her. I am crazy for her. आज मेरा तुमसे मिलने का इरादा है. I intend to meet you today. I intend to meet you today. उसके पापा पिए हुए थे. His father was drunk. His father was drunk. ये सब भगवत गीता में लिखा हुआ था. It is all written in the Bhagavad Gita. It is all written in the Bhagavad Gita. वह मेरा करीबी दोस्त है. He is my close friend. यह तुम्हारा नहीं है. This is not yours. This is not yours. यह किताब राम की है. This book belongs to Ram. This book belongs to Ram. तुम घर के अंदर थे. You were inside the house. You were inside the house. मोबाइल टेबल पर रखा हुआ था. Mobile kept on the table. Mobile kept on the table. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.